people who run out of brakes.
I know. The bad thing is that if they were alone, it's okay.
Yeah.
But there are people around.
Yeah. Oh my God. He is going full speed. But he's a good driver though. See, he's not using
Yeah,
any brakes.
no.
The thing is, if you use brakes, you run out of brakes. It gets heat up and all that. He's not even touching the brakes. He's going full speed down. So we are in Veracruz, Mexico. She's first time visiting the ocean after long time.
After 20 years.
20 years she's visiting ocean. She's in the middle country girl
Yeah.
from Aguascalientes.
I live just in the center of the country.
Center of the country. And we are here in the not so best ocean at all, but it's polluted water, but it's an ocean. But we had some nice seafood. Oh, wow. What the heck is that? Should we check it out?
Oh yeah? Handmade
Huh?
craft?
Handcraft stuff. Let me put my damn mask. Watch out. What's this? Wow. See? I told you, our oysters could be easily be souvenirs. Have you listened to a?
Yes. So, it's really nice.
Yeah.
¿Qué precio tiene el ajedrez? Qué bonito. Gracias.
Let's cross. There was nothing to buy. There is this sailboat here. This girl is always, I can't dance, I can't dance.
I can.
And the little things that she does, she got rhythm.
What are you talking about?
She's comparing herself to her prima, the professional Melilolo.
Hola Melilolo.
Hola Melilolo.
We love you.
Yeah. Look at that. What's going on here? What's going on here? Huh? Oh, diving for trash. What are they doing?
I don't know.
Oh, they are collecting.
Arrójala, güero. Tírala, para que vea el nene. Arrójala, güero. Tírala, carnal.
Oh, they're collecting seashells.
Tírala, carnal.
What are they?
I don't know. I don't know.
don't know what they're doing. What?
Oh, it's weird. I didn't know that they do that.
They're just collecting
So,
seashells?
no, collecting coins.
Oh,
So you can, what do you say, throw it once,
okay.
and then they go and rescue it.
What's the purpose of that?
Make money rescuing their lives. I don't know.
It's probably only 2 feet deep.
But it's dark.
Yeah. That's the fort right there in that corner.
Okay. Yeah, I can see it.
So this is like a naval area. It has like a navy base, big navy base, and there is a
See the Navy
yeah,
ship.
and there is a museum, Navy History Museum.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that boat. I love these more than anything because they're fast
Okay.
and then I just came up with some bushes. Oh, hold on. What is? Oh, I know these.
¿La regresas al mar?
They're just selling them?
No.
What are they doing?
Look. Oh no, I don't know. No, just to take a picture if you want.
Oh,
You want to know?
they. You know those star kind of thing that with the spikes. One of those things came and hit into my freaking chest because that stupid Himash. He was
Hello,
like,
Himash.
yeah, Himash, Hama. So he kicked it with a thing, and it just flew and bam, bounced it off my chest, and put some aloe vera to take the swelling away. Oh, there's a helicopter too.
There's what?
A helicopter.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be a beautiful sunset.
It's really quiet.
Huh? Yeah. Oh, we can go in there. You wanna take a picture with that? Okay. You wanna take a picture here? I'm gonna take some pictures and come back.
your hand. No, thank you.
Those are Jeep. Looks like Jeep.
Jeep?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I didn't know that we have Jeep. Jeep.
Let's look it up.
Black here.
You can look it up.
But yeah, they look nice.
So down there, all the brand new cars that's made in Mexico is getting shipped. All the Jeeps looks like they're made in Mexico. I'm not sure what this. Is it? No, they are Fords. That looks like a Ford. Oh no, that looks like a Jeep. It's multiple brands.
The line is Jeep.
Yeah.
Seems like I'm not sure.
So there are imports of Fiats coming in and Jeeps going in, going out, I think. I don't know what the heck are these. Brand new cars going in and brand new vans coming in. Yeah. And we are in the Veracruz market. Pretty nice. Oh, I think there is Oxo here to get by the what do you call? Oh, a wedding, I think, right?
Yeah, maybe.
I think there should be Oxo.
That pharmacy?
Oh,
We can get water.
yeah. Oh, we can get water from here.
But they are usually
I mean, it's fine.
or maybe coconut.
Do they have coconut?
I don't know. No, I don't think so.
I'd rather give money for the local guy.
No. ¿Qué precio tiene el agua de 1,5?
De litro cuesta 20, de litro y medio cuesta 25.
No, I got it.
Litro y medio, por favor. 5 pesos.
5?
No me cansé de tanto.
I got it. Oh, 1.
Ya, sí.
Is this 10? Yeah. I got 100.
No. Oh, you gave me some money.
No money.
1 peso, I think.
Is it?
No.
I don't know.
Mira,
Gracias.
Gracias. What do they have here?
The one that I told you, that it's just
But they
ice
have
with
condensed
the-
milk.
Yes. So look, you want to look and see if you want?
So what do? They just
There is
ice?
a block. Yes, it's ice. It's a block of ice.
Uh-huh.
They like scratch. No, how do
Yeah,
you
yeah.
call that?
Scrape off ice
Scrape out, yes.
and put like
then-
whatever the
yeah.
I don't like it.
Those are
Ice and
nice.
sugar. Huh?
Yes, they are sugar, but
Yeah.
they are nice. Gold and gold.
Let's ask that. How much is that?
How much is what?
The bus tour.
Oh,
It will be fun. How much is it?
Va a ser el tranvía, amigos.
Let's do it. Where does it
Hay
go?
lugares, nos vamos.